first that I am starting is error analysis of unity feedback system. Error analysis of unity feedback system. Okay. Now, unity feedback means that system will have a forward path transfer function, but the feedback path function would be unity. Let me draw such a system for you guys. This is the summing element. Okay, this is the summing element. This is the forward path system. And this is your feedback, correct? This is RT, this is CT, this is GS, and your HS is 1. The feedback signal is called as BT. So let me explain these signals. RT is your reference input. CT is your output. BT is your feedback signal. Okay. Now my friend, actually when we study about error, we talk about two types of errors. The first error is called as actuating error. And the second error is output error. So what is actuating error? Actually? So actuating error is nothing but the difference of your input and the feedback signal. That means this one. The output of the summing element is called as your actuating error. Okay. Then output error is nothing but RT minus CT. Okay. Swati, please first try and understand whatever I am telling. Gradually in the lectures you will see we will move to more advanced topics. But many people here are those who have not studied control system in their entire life. So I have to make things easy for them as well. If I directly start talking about dynamic error coefficient, static error coefficient, they will not be able to catch up. Okay. So please care about the batch. Now my friend, what happens is, if you see the diagram of the system, in unity feedback system, what you can say is this CT is equal to BT. If BT and CT are same, then actuating error is equal to output error. And that is why there is no controversy. When we talk about a unity feedback system, there is no controversy. Why? Because actuating and the output error are one and the same thing. Most of the people in this industry as well as the students, they are confused between these two errors. Like which one is actuating, which one is output error. But when both are same, then there is no controversy in any concept. So what I say is, actuating error is RT minus Bt, but due to unity feedback, it is Rt minus Ct. Rt minus Ct. Now the steady state value of actuating error is limiting t tending to infinity EAT. Okay, limiting t tending to infinity EAT. That is, if you find the value of the error at infinite time, that is the steady state value. That is the steady state value of the actuating error. Okay. And my friends, in this class, if I miss out after completing a topic, if you really feel I have missed out on something, you can suggest me that. You can suggest me that via this YouTube video as well as through my Telegram channel, Telegram group, anywhere, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can tell me, and I'll bring that relevant content for you. Because sometimes what happens, I might ignore something that you guys might want to learn. So keep interacting with me, keep in touch with me, and I'll make sure that this channel is the best learning place, that it provides you the best learning environment, and my Tesla batch is successful in each and every aspect. Vashisht, basically without closed loop system, we can't talk about error, because the only reason that we came to the closed loop system was we wanted to minimize the error. Now if you start talking about the error in an open loop system, an open loop system will always be inaccurate. Why inaccurate? Suppose I cover your eyes. Suppose I blindfold you. You are not seeing. And I ask you, go out of the door. Will you be able to go? No, I don't think so. Unless you are cheating, you won't be able to go out. If you're not able to go out because I blindfolded you, then what does that mean? That means your path is different from the desired one. अच्छा, एक इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल और लेते हैं. ठीक है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आइज टेस्ट कराइए आप लोगों ने कभी? हैव यू एवर गॉन टू अ ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट एंड गॉट योर आइज टेस्टेड? डिड यू एवर गो? टेल मी क्विकली, डिड यू एवर गो? जल्दी बताओ, सब लोग गए हैं कि नहीं गए हैं? बहुत लोग गए होंगे. क्या होता है, वो आपकी एक आंख बंद करके बोलते हैं भाई रीड करो सामने क्या लिखा है. अगर वो दोनों बंद कर दें, इफ दे क्लोज बोथ योर आईज, विल यू बी एबल टू रीड इट? And then I will say, no yaar, you are very very inaccurate, the error is very high. So that means first there must be a feedback. Without any feedback, if my system loses its observation power, how can I take an error? So in open loop system you can find the error, but that is practically irrelevant. Okay, practically error is relevant when we created a closed loop system. Why we created a closed loop system? So that we can minimize the error between the desired and the actual value. Now if still there is an error, that error is of interest to us.